Okay. So, okay, can anyone let me know what at last lecture what we discussed? What were the points we covered in the last session?
Set, dictionary,
Hmm.
conditional statement.
Okay. Okay, good. So talking about Python batch students, why Python batch students are not providing code, screenshot, or notes in the group? Any issue? You can provide it, okay? And from today we have planned something a very good thing, but I will not let you know today. I will let you know tomorrow. But if possible, someone from team will let you know today itself. Something surprise for you all or something good thing for you. Okay. So yeah. Today basically I will be going to start with a if else conditional statement, but before that I need to explain you some more thing about the state, okay? Yeah. Let me open my folder. Okay, we cover here in this session we covered dictionary as well as state. Let me write in this way. And now I will be opening my Jupyter notebook here itself. Hmm. It is good to go now. Okay. So this in this last session we covered this much point about the dictionary. So we will going to again deal with the dictionary in future as well because it is a very important data structure in the Python itself. We'll learn how to create a dictionary, what is a key value pair in the dictionary, the main concept of dictionary, how we can access a particular value from the dictionary, what are items, what are values, and then we see the keys, how to extract keys, how to extract values. Those who have missed the session, please go through the recordings, okay? All things are covered there itself. Also, I think this video is also uploaded on the YouTube, okay? Then also we see the input function itself, how the input function basically works. Then we also introduce with the if else, simple if else and your elif, okay? So this was the thing we covered in the last session. Okay, basically in this we cover your dictionary as well as some part of if elif, if else, okay? So now today's session we will be going to begin with let me name this session as a conditional statement itself. Conditional statement, okay? Let me give it number as a 4 and I will be again going to my second lecture 5. In that I have covered your state, okay? So yeah, it is good that lot many students have work. I came to know that you have faced some issue in the state. That is really a good thing, okay? Let me go to the down part where we have seen the state. Okay, you can see how many lines of code we have run basically. Okay, okay, this is the state part. So let me start from here. Okay, so yeah, is my screen visible to all? Anyone please just give me confirmation.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, So now let's begin. Okay. So we are going to see, as we have discussed about the basic set operation, all things, but there are means all the things we have covered, but there are some things that you should be remember. Okay, you should keep it remembered. Okay. So let me cover. I will name it as a key points. So generally it depends on to your system to system, but you should remember this point. Okay. So in of set, key points of set. So the first key point is that set is an unordered collection. What do you mean by unordered collection? So set are unordered collection of unique elements when the elements are unique in some cases. The order in which elements are added is not guaranteed. So that day I mentioned you basically it follows the increasing order. But in some cases, in some system, due to its version, due to its version or system capability or due to some other reasons, it follows different order. Okay, so no need to worry. But in more cases, you see the increasing order. Okay, ascending order. You see basically the ascending order. But no need to worry if you in your PC it is not working in ascending order. There is not any issue in your side. It varies to system or its version means version capability or version is different in your thing. Okay, no need to worry regarding it. So on order collection, remember this point. Second, uniqueness. Basically in set we deal with the uniqueness. What do you mean by uniqueness? In this set do not allow duplicate elements. So let me also show you the example what it means. For example, here I am writing a set for you which names as set1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am writing again 1. So if I am going to run my set 1, you can see uniqueness. I will be getting only one once only. Okay, there will be not one two times. This show the uniqueness of the set. Okay. Second point to remember is the uniqueness. The second point you need to remember is your uniqueness. Okay. So yeah, let's move further. Means you cannot add a duplicate. Yeah, if I add 2 here, again 3 and 4, you can see now here I will be getting all at only one time. Okay, same thing, uniqueness. And the third point is you need to remember that is a mutable. How sets are mutable? The reason of sets are mutable is that you can add and remove in the set. As previously discussed in the session, we have seen the add operation in a set as well as remove operation. Okay, that's why set are mutable. You can add or remove elements after the set is created. That means once the set is created, you can perform the operations such as add as well as remove. A simple thing. And the next thing is these are the some what you can say features or characteristics of the set, and there is again one more thing that are the common operations in the set. So basically why we use set, as you have learned in your mathematics as well as in other subjects where there is a set for you. In set there are operations like union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Okay, so these operations can be also performed in the set. Okay, and the next thing is, let me write a code now. Okay, I will be directly explaining you through now code. Mean it will be a simple thing for you. So focus on the screen on the particular cell. If I am writing my set equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this is my set. So in generally we write the set in this way, but suppose this is my now set 1. Okay, and I can also write in this way. If I want to write, I can pass or list in it. You can say it is executed successfully. If I run my set 1, I will get output, sorry, my set. So I got this set. If I run my set 1, you can see here I got output. I passes a list in the set function. You can see I use the set function. Okay, no any big deal here. The same thing we use in the case of list as well. Whenever we want to create a list, we use a list. We can use a set. We can use a tuple. A simple thing to remember. Okay. Is it clear? You can create a set in this way as well. The another way of creating a set. Okay, simple. And so basically, if you want to remember the way, what is called as, so this is a your set. This is a your set constructor. Called as the set constructor. Is this point clear to all? Set constructor? Yes or no? Is this point clear? You can make the set in this way also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I was talking about the uniqueness. So uniqueness, came to know what about the uniqueness means. If you are adding multiple elements of the same number, suppose one is added three times, four times, but it will considering only one time because it is a set. It contains only unique elements. The next concept was of unordered collection. The order of element in a set is not guaranteed. Again, repeating for you. Okay. So this means generally students message me that in my PC the set is not showing ascending order. Some are messaging it is showing mixed number. Some are saying somewhere saying that it is giving a wrong output. But dear students, it was not giving any wrong output. It varies towards your system to system or version to version. Okay, it is good that you have came to know there is some any issue. So let me write some like this way order for you. Okay, I've written some order anything. So if this is my order unordered set, so let me print it for you. Let me print it for you. So according to you, someone will be answering that it will be going to print in 2, 4, 5, 7. You can say in my case it is providing 2, 4, 5, 7. No issue. Again repeating the same line. The order of element in a set is not guaranteed. Okay. So how it came? It is not guaranteed. So for that reason, I have provided you with one proper paragraph where all things were covered. Let me again explain you that thing. So in practice, basically, you might observe that the element in a set are often displayed in ascending order. You can see often displayed in ascending order, especially for numeric string or especially for this numeric number, your integers. Okay, or string elements. Suppose they are string like I have explained you earlier. I have explained you here itself the order. You can see where was that one more string I have taken. I think yeah, you can see here itself. Okay, so I have taken and explained you the order how why this ranking was given, especially for numeric or a string. But it's important to note that Python documentation explicitly state that the order of element in a set is not guaranteed. Again repeating, the order of element in a set is not guaranteed. Okay, while you may often see them in ascending order, you can see some of them are ascending order in this way, in this fashion. It's not something you should rely on. Means you should not rely on this part. Okay. So as it could change based on the factors. What are the factors that were affecting? So that factors, let me write for you. Factors like Python version or implementation details. So in implementation details means how you added or removed the particular element from the set. If you need a specific order, you should use the data structure. That data structure we know that is a data structure called as sorted. If you want to sort the particular thing, we use a sorted. Sorted data means basically we use a constructor or a function or a method that is called a sort as we have used for the list as well. Okay. So yeah. So now next thing in the set that was a mutable. So how are the sets mutable? So here also how the sets are mutable. If this is my unordered set, if this is my unordered set, if I want to if I want to add any element in it, I will use dot add suppose 6 in it. So if I run it, if I print it, 6 will be added successfully. If I want to remove something from it, suppose I want to remove 4. If I print it again for you, you will see that 4 will be removed from it. Okay. The reason is mutable. Okay, sets are mutable. Now a very important thing. Now whatever you are doing, please leave all things aside and focus here. That is your common operations. What you have learned in your class. 10th, 9th, 11th, 12th, all things in a state we will be covering here now. So take a state 1 as 1, 2, 3. Take going with a simple example so you can understand in a proper manner, okay? And second is your 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, let me take a same element in, so we can see some operations generally in set which takes place. Okay, so I've taken some element same. So first is your union set operation. So in union, give a proper variable name. Okay, so you should remember what you are doing. Set 1 dot union. I'm using union to set 2. Set 1 dot union set 2. So let me run it for you and let me print this for you. Okay, so what can we do? We can cut this and I can write it in new cell so it will be easy to understand. Okay, so now let me run this union set. Can anyone let me know what will be the output for this union set? What elements will be there in union set? Yes.
3, 1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3 and
4, 5.
4, 5.
1, 2,
yeah,
3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means union means basically it covers all the things from set 1 as well as set 2. The part of the work of union is to combine the both things and find all the unique values from both the state. Okay, so general working of the union. Then comes your intersection. So intersection set operation, where we'll be going to see how this intersection is generally work. So let me declare a proper variable name here, and I will be doing here set 1 dot intersection of set 2. Anyone, any guess from anyone? What should be the output here? Any guesses?
3,
Yeah, you can see the
3.
answer 3 because 3 is the element which is common in set 2 and set 3. So intersection basically displays the common element present in the both set. Okay, so yeah, next operation is your, and this the next operation your difference. So difference basically means, let's see what is the difference. Okay, so difference set operation, let me write a variable name as it is, and in that, oh sorry, let me write set 1 dot difference. So what do you think? What is meant by difference? You can check this set. What will be the difference? What do you think? What will be set 1 and set 2? What will be the difference? Any guess? Yes, you can try. No,
1,
you can.
2.
Okay, 1, 2. Okay, let me run. 1, 2. I will be explaining the reason as well. Okay. Okay. Invalid syntax. Let me comment above part. Okay. Now you can see 1, 2. So why I got a 1, 2? Let me explain this properly. If you are not able to understand why I got the 1, 2, it's a very simple thing. How you perform the subtraction operation basically in your, what we say, mathematics. In same case, the same thing is happening here itself again. You can let me go above. So where is my set? Okay, this is my set. So I have done set one dot difference with set 2. So what it does basically, it will be it will be checking which elements are present in set 2. It will be not considering that element and which is the same element. So this part will be eliminated, and what will be remaining, the thing will be displaying. If I perform same operation for your, let me go downwards. Let me copy this again and let me paste it here. Now instead of writing as state 1, I will be writing in this way. So what do you think? What will be the output? Yes, anyone?
4, 5.
Yeah, 4 pi. You can see the output 4 pi. Okay. Is this part clear to all? Yes, what about others?
Yes.
Only two students? Where is my Smith link? Okay. Yes, what about other student? Is this clear? Set? Any doubt in the set? Okay. So if you are again if you have any confusion, let me again explain you in simple way again. Okay. Where is the here? So here in this first, what we have done basically the elements 1, 2 are present in set 1, but it were not present in the set 2. So that part we were printing. Okay. And same in the case of set 2 where we have printed 4 pi. Okay. And the next part I want to explain, that is about, yes, that is about your symmetric. Have you heard this word symmetric difference? Symmetric difference. Anyone? Have you heard this word?
Yes.
Okay. So symmetric difference. Same thing I will be performing here as well. Let me name it that symmetric difference of a set. So where we will see set your what? Set one dot symmetric. This is basically the name, proper way name is given. Symmetric difference of your set 2. And when I will be going to run this symmetric difference, can anyone let me know what I will be going to get? Anyone? If yes, you can, you can explain me what I'm going to get from this very
1,
simple.
2, 4, 5.
Yeah, absolutely correct. I will be going to get 1 to 4 5. It means that in symmetric, the same common elements, the common elements present in the both set are not considered. Only the unique elements from the both set are printed. Okay, a very simple and easy concept. So this was the concept behind the symmetric difference. So is it clear this point, all of you? We have learned about symmetric difference, then intersection and union. These were the four major parts you should know about the set. Okay, and with this I will be also explaining here itself. I remember I thought about this membership test. Okay, so what is a member set? So it can be work for any as well as your set tuple list for any. It is a basically a way of checking. Okay, means for example this is my set. Okay, this is my set. Consider this is my set. So in this set, if I want to check that, I'm writing in print. Okay, so you can remember it. So 2 in my set, is there 2 in my set? 2 in my set 1. Okay, so it will be going to print true. You can see it is printing true. 3 in my 3 in my set 1, you will be getting a again true because it is present. You can also perform for a list as well. If you created a list 1 where you written 6 7 8 in this way, so you can check 6 in L1, it will be going to give true. I will write 10 in L1, it will be going to false. If I write in this way 10 not in L1, I will be getting a true. So you can remember this membership test, that is your, you can use, that is your in and not in. Okay. Again, one important concept, basically interviewer ask you what is the use of in and not in, what it is named. Basically these are basically the membership. So be the this helps you in means checking the if there is any presence of particular element or not. Okay, now is it clear all? Can I move further?
Yes.
Okay, so we will begin with the conditional statement now. Okay, that day I begin with the conditional statement, but yeah, I will be again repeating the same things for you. We'll be taking with you with the if else statement. Okay, So remember one thing, it is a very simple thing, conditional statement. Only we will be dealing with different types of condition. Okay. So in Python, we generally use if else. In all the other programming as well, is used for conditional branching. Basically, we do the branching. Okay, one condition true, then other will be false. If both are not true, then something will be true or something will be false. Okay. So basically, it use for your what, make decision, make decision. Okay, making decision making process. You can write in this way. We use for decision making. Okay, we make some decision on this basis. We use for this purpose. So let me take explain with the example. If suppose this is my x equal to 5. If I want to check my that if x is my greater than 5, so here I will be printing that x is greater than 5. Here one thing need to be followed, that is your indentation. You can see automatic the four spaces are given here. Automatic the four spaces are given because indentation matters. In Python, indentation is the key concept. Okay. So other things are same. It is, you can see I'm writing the same thing, x is not greater than 5. So I got output x is not greater than 5. But you can see here I have given x equal to 5. That's why I got the x is not greater than equal to 5. If I given here 55, I will get x is greater than 5. In this way, this is a simple syntax of your if else. But if I want to check for two or three more conditions, like example, take an example like y is equal to 7. I'm taking just a number, random number. If y is greater than 10, I will be checking a condition that, let me copy this, I will be checking that y is greater than 10. Okay. And if are there multiple condition, use elif. Use elif. In other programming languages we use else if, but here is that short form else if is that elif. Remember it, elif. And you can write the further condition. So let me write my further condition, that is y is greater than 5. So I can print here that y is greater than 5, but not 10. 10 is our previous number. Okay, above number. In this fashion you can write, and after this you can write else, and same thing you can repeat here again, that is your y is not greater than, or you can simply write here that y is y is 5 or less. Either it can be 5 or less, any number. Generally simply explaining with the example. Okay, how this if, elif and else work. So I have passed here 7, so I got a result that y is greater than 5 but not 10. If I pass here 3, I will be getting that y is 5 or less, means either y can be a 5 or it can be the less than it. Okay, so this was the simple explanation of your if else, if elif else, or you can tell it called as if else. So the basic idea of if elif else is clear to all. Any doubt in it? Yes, anyone, any doubt in it? Any doubt?
No.
No.
No. Okay. What about others? Other student, any doubt? Can I continue?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me take a good example now, so I can explain you. Okay. Yeah. So now let's take a example where we will be dealing with some students' marks. If we want to take that example, we can take a simple example of a student marks where we'll be checking that student is pass or fail, or that in that way. So we can get a more idea of a if else statement. Okay, so in marks we can deal with pass or fail. Okay, we will check that student is pass or fail for the particular grade. So let me write a program for you so you can understand more concept of a if else. Okay, so let me take a marks. So we have learned in the last session about your what is that taking user friendly, how to take a input from a user. So now here I am going to take a user in a float format. So I'm writing a float. Okay, input, enter the marks. So in this way, students can enter the marks. Then next condition, I can keep here a passing threshold value. That passing threshold value I keep at 50. Means students above 50 will be going to pass. Okay. And simple I am here writing for you marks greater than equal to your passing threshold. What is your passing threshold? Means that students are basically those students are basically passed the exam. Okay. Congratulations. Congratulations, you have passed. You have passed. In that way I can write. And in else part I will be writing that print sorry, you have failed. You have failed. So see how simple I have written a simple statement for you taking an input. Suppose I passes here 57, it will be say congratulations you have passed. I can give a floating point number as well 57.64 we have passed. Suppose I written 47, it will be going to say sorry you have failed. If I given any number like pointing also you can see if you're sorry you have failed. So this is the basic understanding of simple example through which you can understand how the if else as well as user friendly take a input from the user, give some threshold value, work on the condition and go for the output. Okay. So take a 1 minute, understand basically the concept of your indentation. Other things are working fine, no any big deal with it. Take a 1 minute, look at code properly. Look at code at properly. Okay, look the code. Okay. So is it clear now?
Yes.
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 Okay. So further we will be taking more questions today. Okay. So in this session basically the focus is on conditional statement as well. Okay. So some questions I will be also providing you in the practice section as well. Means on in the YouTube description you will be getting the questions as well. So yeah. So I want to also explain you the concept of basic in authentication. Authentication means let me write here. First question, good question. And this question might be you will be getting in your interview. Okay, user authentication, no, not any big deal, there is not any rocket science in it. Again remember, the question basically the interviewer asks question in that manner, it seems to be hard but it is very easy. So this question basically asked in not many interview of Python developer. So they basically ask you for can you provide a simple interface or a condition for a user authentication. So yes, you can say yes, I know about it. So for user authentication, have you used Instagram, Facebook? Generally, for using that app, what you required? What you required to log in? Yes.
Username and password.
Yeah, username and password. Yeah, this is the concept. But the students get shocked. Oh, what is user authentication? How can I provide a big code? You no need to provide a big code. The interviewer is asking you generally, have you know about it? How it is basically designed? You need to provide that part. So user are interested to let know about that. Have you even tackled with this? So see, in the simple way I am writing. Enter your user name, then password. So for password, input, enter your password. Enter your password. So there is a condition now. So what is the condition? Have you faced any login issue sometimes? What issues you faced in login? If you enter a correct, if you enter correct username password, what will be getting? What you will be getting?
Login.
Yes, login successfully. If you enter wrong, what you will be getting?
Invalid.
Yes, invalid. Very good. So basically, for logging, any to any website or any social media or any platform, you need to write correct username as well as password. Both things should be correct. So I am writing your username. Suppose I have my Instagram account username as admin. Consider example, okay? And password is password is and its password is suppose 12345. If these both conditions are true, so that's why I written and. Do you know the work of and gate? Anyone can let me know what is the working of and gate? What does the and gate mean? Yes, anyone?
If both conditions are true, then the output will be true,
Yeah,
otherwise false.
yeah. So if these both condition will be true, then only I will be getting the message that will be displaying on my screen, that is your login successful. This will be the message I will be getting, okay? Otherwise else I will be getting that print invalid username or password. I think all might have been tackled with this same thing, or have got this error when you're trying something. If you have lose something, this error might have run, might you have got this error, okay? Invalid username or password, please try again. So yes, let me run it for you. I am writing the name as admin. Now 1 2 3 4 5. Login successful. But now remember one thing. I have given here condition. But in the case of Instagram, Facebook, there are lot many users, millions of users, trillions of users. Then how that particular thing is working? So there is a basic concept come from your API. If you don't know API, just remember what I'm telling you API. Okay, remember the name API. So basically, there's the thing work of your fetching. Okay, the information get fetched there itself. But here I am providing it statically. I means I am writing here itself. I am explaining you with the help of one example. Okay, so I can explain you with the help of multiple example. In this way, suppose let me write some provide some wrong details. You can see I got a result successful. That is username and password is not valid. But I have another user. I have another user. I have another user. Let me copy this here itself, and that user name is user one, and the password is 123. Okay. So sorry. What? Okay. Let me print it. I have not printed. Let me print the same thing here. Yeah. If I provide now user one, and password 123, you can see login successful. So yeah, I hope now this user authentication program is clear to you. Is it clear? In this way, you can add multiple. Okay, multiple, no issues. Is this program clear? You are
Yes.
able to understand? Okay, please note it. A very important question. Okay. Same thing is being going to work with your what we can say bank transaction. Okay, same thing, same algorithm is working for your bank transaction. Here you work deal with the username password. There you deal with the account balance as well as withdrawal amount. Okay, so what happens basically there? Let me explain you now properly. So we will take now example of a bank transaction. A very good example again, bank transaction. So have you used ATM? Have you used ATM machine? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So in front of you, I'm writing something. Okay. So basically, account balance is written in some floating point. It is not written in integer. Okay. So that's why reason I'm taking a float input from user. Okay. Float input. enter your this is just a simple example to make you familiar with the if else, because if else are generally used lot many times, lot many times. Okay, further in future also we will be dealing with lot many conditions. So this simple example will be going to make you perfect in it. Input, let me write here, enter your, like, a proper message I need to write here. So I can write enter your, sorry, I can write in this way, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Withdraw means, do you know what is meant by withdraw? I think all should know what is meant by withdraw. What is meant by withdraw?
Yes.
What does it mean? Withdraw means,
To take money.
yeah, good. Withdrawal amount. So look, I am look here, focus here. What I am writing here. So I have taken an account balance. What is my account balance? And I want to provide some withdrawal amount. So withdrawal amount I am going to provide. First, I need to check. What I need to check is my withdrawal amount is less than equal to. So whatever I am withdrawing means whatever money I am taking from my bank balance, it should be less than or equal to my which balance? Which balance? Which balance? Anyone?
Account balance.
Account
Yeah,
balance.
it should be less than equal to, not greater than equal to. It should withdrawal balance should be less than equal to. If you don't have that much money, then how can you withdraw? If I have 5,000, I want to withdraw 8,000. It can be possible? No. Simple thing, simple logic written. Okay. So after this, what can I do, mate? After this, what can I do for you? I can do this thing, that account balance. Now my account balance will be reduct, means some money will be reducted or reduced from it. Okay, so I can write that in this way: account balance minus equal to minus. Why I use minus? Because some money is deducted from it. Okay, to withdraw. What is your withdrawal amount? So yeah, this will be the code. Let me print it. So while printing here, I will be writing withdrawal withdrawals successfully, or withdrawal successful, and I need to see my remaining balance. What is my remaining balance? Remaining balance, remaining balance. So I can check it by account balance. If I have done with the if part and else part, what will be the thing in the else part? So else part will be considering that if you enter a lot many amount, if you have 1,000 rupees and you enter that I want the 1 lakh rupees, how it can be possible? Insufficient funds. I can write in that way. So yeah, let me write my balance. Suppose my balance is 10,000. So I want to withdraw money 5,000. Okay, withdraw successful. Remaining balance 5,000. So congratulations to all of the students who are attending the meet. We have successfully designed the program for bank transaction. You can see here itself. So let me write something good for it. Okay, I have balance 1,000 rupees and I want to withdraw money 10,000. Okay, insufficient funds. So is this program clear to all? A very good program I have taken. Is it clear?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay. So how many of you have exhibited or writing with me side by side? How many of you are writing? Okay. Is the speed good, or can be more slow for you? What should you suggest? Is the speed good?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Then I will be continuing with the same speed. So Lina, yeah, let me go to my screen again. Conditional statement. Yeah. So we can take one more example of which, yeah, okay, I think this will be a good example. Yeah, yeah, it will be good really. So suppose this is a really a good example, okay? Simulating a traffic light, simulating a traffic light system. So basically, this question I came to remember through my friend's IoT project. Okay, so see how this is basically. So your traffic light color input. I will be providing input. Enter the current traffic light color. Enter the. I will be taking input in this way. Enter the current traffic light color. Okay, and suppose someone is entering it in a fashion like uppercase, lowercase, but I want in the lower. So have we have to learn this concept of lower. Whatever user will be providing, I will be making it in a lower. So it will be a simple for checking my condition. That's why I'm writing a lower. Okay, not any big deal. That's why I written here lower. Means suppose anyone provided green, but he write the first letter as capital. But in my condition, suppose this is my condition for in front of you. That is my traffic light color equal to red. But let me delete this part for you. Okay, focus here. So I will be printing stop explanation mark. The light is red. Okay, then let me write elif, and again here now I will be taking color as yellow. I will be printing slow down. Yellow color means slow down, move slowly, slow down. The light is yellow, and a leaf traffic light is equal to green. So I can write here like that, print go ahead, no issues, there is nothing in front of you, you can go ahead. The light is green. And else part I can write that print invalid input. In this way I can write, means suppose any other color or any other thing is written, I will write invalid input, and this in this I will write please enter a value, please enter. So reason of writing this all things clearly is that whenever you're writing a code, please explain all things properly. User should understand basically what the things you have done, just not print it. Okay, make it proper user friendly program. I can write please enter a valid traffic light color. Okay, so this is a general program which I have written in front of you. Let me run it. Suppose I enter a color red, I will get output that invalid input, please enter a traffic light color. Okay, so that's the reason I'll return here lower. Means whatever any user will be writing, make it lower. Now I will be writing red. You can see the output. Stop. The light is red. Through this program, I want to explain you the concept of if, elif, else, as well as this part, because you don't know what your user will be going to write either in capital or lower. But mainly you can write in this way, that dot lower means you will be getting a correct output, means whatever your user want, you will be getting in correct manner. Okay, so how was this program? Have you enjoyed this program? It was a really helpful program to learn a lot many things. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, so just go through it again. Just go through it again. Just hear what I have done. Okay. So now, are you familiar with if, elif, else? Are this concept clear to you about indentation as well? Are you able to write your? Okay, okay. Yes, Tanishka, speak. Okay. So I think if any problem came to you regarding the condition statement or any problem statement, you might think that there is condition statement is going to use. Are you able to tackle it now?
Yes.
Yeah. So for today, I'm going to take one more question. Okay. So this is again the same question, like your what? Like your where is my okay? Same like your bank transaction. Okay, same like a bank transaction. But this time I want you to code it for me. Okay. So the question is for a shopping scenario. So let me provide you a scenario. So listen me properly. So basically what happened, where is it? Okay. So listen the question properly. You need to provide a code for it. Okay. So in shopping scenario, basically you enter a market. Okay. So after entering the market, uh, you purchase any item. Consider you purchase any item. So you have purchased any item and you have some available balance with you. After purchasing that item, your balance get reduced. Okay. So after reducing the balance, what will be your reduced balance? You can let me know through your program. Okay. And you should also display that my purchase is successful and my balance remaining balance. What is that? You should know. You should to display it. Okay, anyone can you able to code it? A very simple thing like a bank transaction. Only the scenario is a bank. Scenario is a shopping. Instead of withdraw, you need to go with the item price. Is it clear? Question is clear? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
No,
So
sir.
okay, Anjali, it is not clear. I will be explaining again. So though for those who it is the question is clear, you can go with the code. So yeah, Anjali, I'm explaining again. So the example is that same like your banking scenario. Okay. So your program should take a input from a user where you should take a input as the available balance as well as item price, whatever you have purchased that item price. After that, your program should check that user has enough funds or not. Means for purchasing that product, you have enough fund. Means you have that money or amount or not. And if you have that much amount, you should deduct. You should deduct that amount, and you should print that I have successfully means you have purchased something successfully, and your remaining balance is this amount. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can go with the code. Take 3 to 5 minutes and provide me with the solution. Okay. If anyone not able to code it, I will be going to code for you. But the scenario is like same banking. There we deal with the withdraw. Here you need to deal with the item price. Continue. I will be asking at exact 8 o'clock. You have 4 minutes in your hand. Code it. Okay, Harsh has provided. So anyone more? Let me check Harsh code. Okay. Till that time, I will be checking the Harsh code. I'm copying it, pasting it here. Or let me run it. Enter your balance. Suppose my balance is 5,000 rupees. I have purchased something item of 200 rupees. Okay, Harsh, you are exactly make a same program which I was expecting. But the thing you need to remember, whenever there is a program regarding any balance, talking about any balance price, make it a float. Okay, it is a good practice to make it a float. Suppose there is I have balance and I purchase some product which has this much amount, so you can get a proper answer. Okay, Harsh? Other thing is perfectly fine.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone more with the code?
Yes,
Okay, Amruta. So can you provide the code or you have done with the code? What is the
I have done in laptop.
Okay, okay. If you can provide, you can provide. Yes, what about others? Shweta, Tanishka, Gayatri, and her, yes, Aniri. Have you done with the code? So remember one thing, when this video will be uploading on the YouTube, there will be again 3 to 4 questions. So you need to answer that also, okay? It will be making you more perfect in it. You can give me the confirmation if you are writing in a notebook, no worries. Have you done with the code? Just give me the confirmation. So yes, have you done? Amrita has done. What about Tanishka? Yes, Tanishka. Are you able to code it? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Shweta? Okay, Gayatri has provided the code. Sorry. Yeah, Gayatri. Okay, Tanishka also provided. Let me check one by one. I'm copying the code of Gayatri. So Gayatri has not made it a user friendly. No issue. Let me run it. Okay. Okay, Gayatri, your code is working fine, but from next time remember to make it a user friendly by taking an input. Okay. Okay, Gayatri. Yes. Tanishka. So enter the amount. Okay. Enter the item. In this case, I need to write the item name. I think. Enter the item price. Why? Okay, you can buy item. Okay, Tanishka, but you are not printed the remaining balance. Okay, you need to print here. Print remaining balance, that your bal amount. I'm maintaining about 70 item. I have purchased suppose the book which price around 500. What is the wrong you have made in this code? Can anyone tackle with it? What is the thing? Remaining balance minus 500. What is the reason? Yeah, anyone?
माइनस इक्वल टू उल्टा लिहिलंय.
Yeah,
Minus equal to.
yeah, same. You need to write a minus equal to. Okay. The reason I got this thing, let me run it again now here. Providing the same thing, 780 I provided, then I provided the book, and then I provided the price of book. Now you can see it is giving exact output. Okay. So such type of mistake you make in your earlier phase. Okay. But you need to learn from this. It is a good thing I liked about this code is that here she has also taken the market, enter the item. It is a good thing. Okay. Something good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Gayatri, same error. Okay. So yeah, we will be stopping here. Hope you understand the condition statement now. It is clear. So from next lecture we will be moving with some other part. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So we will stop here itself. So we will be going to meet again on today's Wednesday. We will going to meet on Friday. Okay. So till that time, keep practicing and solve the questions which are provided in the YouTube description. Okay. There are questions which are provided. Okay. So why today less strength? Any issue? Any something is there today? Okay, there is today Bhai Dooj. I think that's why. Bhav is there. Okay, that's why students are not joining. Their festival at home. I think. No worries. So those any one of your friend have missed the session, please let him or her know that today there will be I will be providing. Means my team will be providing with the recording. They can go through with the recording and they can continue with us tomorrow. Okay. And all the 6 students who have attended this meet today, there were around 15 while the start of meet, but yeah, after that today there are means reduce the count to the 6. You should provide the summary and code screenshot in the group itself with the explanation. Okay, in the group, our group, Python group, code yeah Python. Okay, provide in that. Okay, I need from all the students: Tanishka, Amrita, Shweta, Aneri, Gayatri, as well as Harsh. Hope it is clear. So yeah, you can let me know how was the today's session in one word. Can let me know.
Amazing.
Okay, amazing. Thank you, Aneri. Great. Thank you, Harsh. So Harsh, Aneri, you are the students who are attending all the sessions properly. So I think you are the volunteer of our Kodia. Okay, I am considering in that way. So you need to promote something from for the Kodia. Okay, you can work as a volunteer for us. It will be a really good thing. Because you are the students who are attending all the sessions properly, you can let your friends know about it. Okay, so it will be good for us as well as you. Okay, Tanishka, great. Gayatri, great. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much. So keep on practicing, keep coding. Okay, and there is something surprise which will be coming today or tomorrow. I don't know what is that, but yeah, something is there. Okay, so yeah, we will meet on Friday. Till that time, keep learning, keep coding, and enjoy the day. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye, Aneri. Welcome.